This is yet another video of my European plum, wild plum here. It's in desperate need of a prune. I didn't know if you saw my last video where I cut off the top of the table to try to make a new one. Now I've got to decide which one of these four lanky ones I want to make and turn into the new one, and just a general prune so the branch structure doesn't get out of hand. I think I'm gonna take the lowest one here. Was initially my plan anyways, so I think that's gonna be the one. I removed at least, I'd say, 80% of the tree's foliage to re-establish. And the more I work on this European plum, the more dissatisfied I am with these two branches. I think they're too similar. Like, they're just above each other and they have the kind of the same bend. So maybe I have to re-establish one of them. I just don't know which one. And this one needs to grow a bit thicker than this one. But maybe if I turn this one, the lowest one, a little bit to the front and this one to the side, they don't look too similar. But that's a problem for the future. We'll see what happens. Oh, that's it.